You are the shelter, you are the shield. Through every battle, your power revealed. Clothe him with courage, surround him with peace, lead him with wisdom.
Ladies and
Your
gentlemen,
grace
the
never
President of the
cease.
Republic of the Philippines,
We
His
lift his
Excellency
name
Ferdinand R. Marcos
before your
Jr.
throne. Your strength will stand, your truth be shown. Lord, protect our president, give him strength, make him steadfast, guide his voice in truth and light.
Morning to everyone, and it is my distinct honor to truly welcome you all to this momentous occasion for the graduates of the TESDA mass graduation ceremony. And we would like to welcome Ilocos Norte's favorite son, President Bongbong Marcos Jr. Thank you for being with us. And we also have TESDA Secretary Kiko Benitez, Francisco Kiko Benitez. We also have Secretary Rex Gatchalian that's here, along with our favorite Congressman of the 1st District, Congressman Sandro Marcos, and the favorite son of the 2nd District, Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba. And we also have here ASEC Pinky Romualdez of DSWD, along with ASEC Ana Remigio as well, and my daughter Amanda Marcos. Anyway, I would like to congratulate everyone for a job well done, and truly, this is an opening for you, for opening doors for greater opportunities for you. And we thank our Apo Presidente for being committed to truly training a lot of us for the skills that's needed to be able to cope with the different things in life. So thank you so much, along with Secretary Kiko. Thank you so much for under your leadership. There has been 1,000 and a lot of Ilocano families that have been helped through your programs. So thank you very much, and welcome to everyone here today. God bless you all.
Of course, Majority Floor Leader, Congressman Sandro Marcos, Yusek Pinky Romualdez, and ASEC Ana Remigio, nakayami na po, nag-graduate ang aldaw, nagiri TESDA family, naimbag, nabigat tayo amin na po, Apo Presidente, naragsakay sa Sambayo, iti Provincia de Ilocos Norte, welcome back home. Your presence today reflects your administration's commitment to empowering Filipinos through quality education, skills development, and meaningful employment. Agyaman kami, Apo Presidente, tiyak tultuloy nga suportayo. Iti panagpapigsa, iti technical education, ken skills development. Deto'y ket mangted. Kadag iti kakailan tayo, iti atado, agundaway, para iti nasaysaya at panagbiag. To TESDA, congratulations on your 32nd anniversary. And to our graduates, my warmest congratulations on this important milestone. Kadag iti graduate tangal daw, dahito iket pamaneknek, iti kinaanos, kinagaget, ketarigagayo, amang bukel, iti nasaysaya at masakbayan, ken para kada kayo, ken kadag iti pamilyayo.
Having been duly presented and certified by the TESDA Provincial Office of Ilocos Norte, and as having successfully completed the prescribed training requirements in accordance with the standards and policies of the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, TESDA, I hereby accept these 150 graduates of TESDA Ilocos Norte. In my capacity as Regional Director of TESDA Region 1, I respectfully endorse these 1,150 graduates of TESDA Ilocos Norte to TESDA Director General Secretary Jose Francisco Kiko B. Benitez for confirmation. Mr. Secretary, sir.
Upon the presentation of the TESDA Provincial Office Ilocos Norte and the endorsement of the Regional Director of the 1,150 TVET graduates of TESDA Ilocos Norte, and having been certified to have successfully completed and satisfactorily complied with all the requirements and standards prescribed by the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, by the authority vested in me as the Director General of the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, I hereby confirm you as graduates of TESDA Ilocos Norte. Congratulations!
It is so nice to come home, to get the chance to come home and to be with all of you. It has been too long, and I have missed your smiles, and I have missed your warmth, and I have missed your friendship. Now, once again, nakasama ko ang mahal kong mga kababayan, nakikita ko ang mga pagbabago na nangyayari dito sa probinsya tayo. At nanumbalik sa akin ang dahilan kung bakit natin ipinaglalaban ang isang magandang buhay para sa bawat Pilipino. It is siguro naman hindi ligid sa kaalaman ng lahat na masinop ang mga Ilocano sa pera. Talagang tinitipid kung lalo na pagka panahon ng pangangailangan. Dala-dala ko sa tanggapan ng Pangulo ang katangiang yan. Likas sa atin na magtipid ng salapi at paglaanan ng ating mga pangarap tulad ng pag-aaral. And this is what I see today with our TESDA graduates. Bawat isa sa inyo, each and every one of you have dreamed that you will have training so that you will be able to get your new work, so that you will be able to earn, and so that you will be able to have a better life. Maaaring mayroon sa inyo ang nagbabalak mag-aral sa kolehiyo pagkatapos ng pagsasanay dito sa TESDA. At kapag nakapag-ipon na kayo, maaaring mangyari yan. Alam po namin magaling at masipag ang Pilipino. Kaya pinapalawak namin at pinaparating sa lahat ang training ng TESDA. Today, we are celebrating a landmark in your everyday, in what we see in your everyday industry and your training and the hard work that you have put in. Ngunit ito rin ang panimula ng isang maliwanag na kinabukasan dahil meron na kayong kakayahan. That's why, congratulations sa inyong lahat. So to the 1,150 TESDA scholars that have finished today, the 50 that finished in dressmaking, NC2, at tatahi ng mga produktong maipagmamalaki natin mga Pilipino. Alam po ninyo, may isa tayong kababayan sa Puerto Princesa na nag-aaral ng dressmaking at nakakuha nung NC2. Ngayon, isa na siyang fashion designer na may sariling brand na Maria Maria. Barang araw, kayo rin makakapagsimula ng sarili ninyong fashion brand. May 25 naman sa inyo kumuha ng barista na certificate. Kayo naman ang magbibigay buhay sa mga kape. Sa mga kape, at natikman ko na yung nasa labas. At talagang kayang-kaya natin makipagsabayan kahit saan, kahit sa Maynila, kahit sa abroad. Meron din tayong TESDA graduate na sa kanilang sipag at husay, nakapagtayo na sila, yung mga iba dyan, nakapagtayo na ng sariling kapihan. Hindi lamang nakakapaggawa ng kape, ngunit nakakapagbigay din sila ng trabaho sa kanilang mga kapwa Ilocano. Patunay ito na bawat isa sa inyo ay maaaring maging susunod na boss ng sarili ng inyong negosyo, ng sarili ninyong mga kumpanya. It is in your hands now that the training and the certification that is going to be the key to your progress and to the betterment of your lives. That's why you have to add to your industry, to your patience, and to your love of work. Itong nakaraang SONA, sinabi ko na ang pinakamahalagang puhunan ng ating bansa ay ang ating mamamayan. Kapag namumuhunan tayo sa kakayahan ng Pilipino, namumuhunan tayo sa mas matatag na pamilya, mas masiglang ekonomiya, mas magandang kinabukasan ng bansa. Kaya ngayon, this year, bibigyan natin ang TESDA ng pinakamalaking budget sa kasaysayan ng TESDA. Halos 19 bilyong piso, 19 billion pesos ang inilaan natin para sa scholarship program upang mas marami pang Pilipino magkaroon ng pagkakataon, matuto at magkaroon ng magandang hanap buhay, kagaya ng ating mga graduate ngayon. We are also expanding our enterprise-based education and training or EBET program so that it will coordinate with the training and the needs of our employees. Yan po, that is sometimes a difficulty that we find is that although we provide livelihood training, kung minsan hindi pa rin nakakahanap ng trabaho, and that is why this is a very important aspect. At nakikita naman natin that has begun to show some success because our trainees, pagkatapos nila mag-graduate, ay kadalasan, karamihan sa kanila ay nakakakuha kaagad ng trabaho. Because of this, mas magiging handa ang graduate sa pagpasok sa trabaho. Handa rin tayong tutulungan ng mga kabataan na kailangan maghanap buhay. Kaya dinagdagan natin ang pondo sa Tulong Trabaho Scholarship Program. At alam naman natin na minsan nahihirapan ng mga estudyante pupunta sa kanilang training center araw-araw, pinapalawak din natin ang TESDA online program. And because of this, many more Filipinos will be able to learn and be able to be trained in at whatever time and whatever place that they are. Kasabay nito, nilalapit din natin ang mga oportunidad sa mga kababayan natin higit na nangangailangan sa tulong ng TVET for Social Equity Program. Pinapalakas din natin ang micro-credentialing sa TVET upang mas mabilis makakuha ng training at certificate na kailangan ng ating mga manggagawa upang makapagsabay at mabilis na mabilis na pagbabago. The world is changing very, very quickly. That is why these training programs are very important because we have to continuously train our workers because of the new technologies, because of the situation, because of the establishment of our new supply chains around the world. That to be able to take advantage of that, we must train our workers, and that is what we are trying to do with not only in our schools but also in our technical and vocational training. Mga kababayan, bahagi lang ang mga programang ito ng ating layunin na makapagbukas ng mas maraming oportunidad para sa bawat Pilipinong handang magsikap para umasenso. Kasama sa mga layunin natin ito, ang mga guro at ang pribadong sektor na patuloy na ginagabayan at hinahasa ang ating mga kababayan. And that is why we thank them very much. Maraming salamat. Thank you for all that you have done for our workers. To all our TESDA graduates, use what you have learned and use this training that you have undergone so that you can improve not only your own lives, but not only the lives of your family, not only the lives of our communities, but also the lives of all Filipinos around the country. Naway dala ninyo ang tatak ng kasipagan at husay ng TESDA at Ilocos Norte saan man kayo tutungo. Dalangin ng pamahalaan ang inyong tagumpay. We are here waiting for you and we are here supporting you in every way that we can. And I just have to say a special thank you to our cabinet secretaries, and the reason that I do that is because the things that we are doing now, I just came from Vintar, where we looked at the beginnings again, one of the beginnings of the cotton industry, and then here in TESDA, I want to thank all of you because these were our dreams when I was governor, when I was congressman. Ito yung mga pinapangarap namin, sa wakas nagawa na rin natin, and thank you for that. Thank you for your support for all Ilocanos and for Ilocos Norte. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Diyos tiyagdina, kadakayami po.
Maraming salamat, mahal naming Pangulo. May we now request the President to proceed downstage and grant us a group photo. So may we invite everyone to please occupy the space at the middle para po tayo magpa-picture sa ating mahal na Pangulo. And then you may come closer. Ready? At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Force.
ay kinakailangan. Tayo na tulong-tulong, napakunlarin ang mahal nating bayan. Panahon na magbabago at iayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin. Gawin ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at ng guminhawa tayo. Itagong malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Ang Pilipino, ginawang sariling atin at nawala ng galing. Nagsasay ka sa atin ang magbabago at muna sa kahit anong larangan. Ang tagumpay ay karangalan. Alay o ihandog natin sa bayan. Ang ulit ng napatunayan ng Pilipino, ang husay at takas, kagandahan at talento. Makipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras, ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Pagbabago ay natin
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic